That's it, stay here. That's it. Nice. Well done. You can start breathing again. There we go. Nice big gap here. Left mirror, left indicator, left mirror again, and slowly drift over. Keep on the gas for me. Keep up with him. Cancel that indicator. You can't slow down, okay? So we're heading back onto the A55 dual carriageway. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Hey.
Wow.
Little bit of gas for me. Roundabout coming up, we're going to go right to third exit towards Conway, okay? Up onto the A55. Little bit early for that, okay? Should have done that a little bit further up there, doesn't matter. Now don't indicate right just yet until you're at the second yellow bollard, see it? Because there's a turning just there, look. That's it. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right for me. Now then, look at them over there. They have priority. Where are they going? Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Brake, 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 brake. Clutch down into first gear. Into first. Wait. That's it. Now then, see that little white car? It's got a left indicator on. Off the brake. Hold down the bike point. Little bit of gas. Keep holding it. Little bit of gas. Little bit of gas. That's it. Up into second gear. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Am I going all the way around?
Keep going. Keep going. Left mirror. Left indicator now. That slip road there. That's it towards Conway. Now then, a little bit more gas. A little bit more gas. More gas. Indicate right for me. More gas. Get your foot down. That's it. Perfect. More gas. More gas. More gas. Leave it in second gear. More gas. More gas. More gas. Look in your mirror. Look in your mirror. That's it. Look ahead. Look in your mirror. Look in your mirror. That's it. Up into third gear for me. That's it. And stay here. Cancel that indicator. Now then, a little bit more gas for me now. Keep up with everybody else. Just keep an eye on that van and things, and that van there. That red van's giving us a bit of a problem. A little bit more gas for me. Up into fourth gear now for me. Now then, anybody in that outside lane? Oh, he's pulling off. Stay here then. That's it. See, he's pulling off.
Yeah.
There we go. Keep it going. Now then, when you've got a slip road off, you've normally got a slip road on after it, okay?
Yeah.
We have to be aware of cars joining. A little bit of gas for me. A little bit of gas of joining. See that slip road over there?
Yeah.
Anybody in the outside lane? Anybody in that outside lane?
No.
Okay, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Pop a right indicator on, floor it, start moving over. That's it. Keep checking there. Floor it. Get me to 70. Floor it. Push it down. Do not take your foot off that gas pedal until we see 65 on there, okay? That's it. Stay here. That's it. Nice. Well done. You can start breathing again. There we go. Nice big gap here. Left mirror, left indicator, left mirror again, and slowly drift over. Keep on the gas for me. Keep up with him. Cancel that indicator. You can't slow down, okay? Otherwise, the cars we've just overtaken is going to catch up to us. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Keep a nice steady speed. There we go. Up into fifth gear, nice and slowly for me. Take your time with it. Nicely done. Just stay this distance away from that car in front of us. As long as you manage to get to 60, 65, the examiner will be happy, okay? What you can't do on a motorway, dual carriageway, is dawdle at 40, 50 miles an hour when it's safe to do 60, 65. When and if safe to do so. Now then, this car's going a little bit on the slow side. However, we're taking the next exit off, okay? So, a little bit of gas for me. Have we got time to overtake him? A little bit of gas for me.
If we're coming off the next one.
Then don't bother. Keep on the gas for me. Keep up with him. What you can't do is sit behind somebody doing 50, okay? When it's safe to overtake. Okay, you've got to overtake. Now then, he's taken our safe space. So we have no option but to ease off a little bit, okay? See that solid white line on the left?
Yeah.
Stay close to that. See that mark there, that sign there? Pop a left indicator on. Stay close to that left white line. A little bit of gas for me now. That's it. Most of the time, unless it's a really short slip road, you never slow down on the dual carriageway, okay? What we do is, we use, don't touch that white line, don't touch it, don't touch it. Now we can slow it down, okay? Slip road off is your opportunity to slow the F down. Down, 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 down. Keep close to the left line. That's it. Down into second gear for me. Down into second. Clutch back up nice and slowly. Keep close to the left line. See, left line, not line. Keep close to the left line. I said left white wine. Stay close to the white wine. Cancel that
To the white wine?
Yeah.
As I'm driving?
Up into third gear. Stay close to the white line. Holy shit. Stay close to the white line, I should have said. There we go. He's off a little bit. We're going straight ahead of the roundabout. Now take the shortest route on this, okay? There's only one lane, yeah? On the approach to the roundabout. It's impossible for anybody to be next to you. Centimetre first and then brake, yeah? Always centimetre first. Just slow it down for me, just slow it down. Concentrate on your speed, get the speed down, then clutch down into second gear. Keep bringing the speed down. That's it. Clutch up nice and slowly now for me, gently brake. Off the brake now, don't touch no pedals. He's not coming round. That's it. Take the shortest route. Left mirror, left indicator, and away. Diane. Excellent. Muy bien. Perfectamundo. Almost.
Si, senor.
This next roundabout, you cannot see what's coming from the right till the very last second, okay? So, you need about 10, 12 miles an hour on the white bit of tarmac. I'm going to sneeze. On the white bit of tarmac. You can pop a left indicator on after the turning. There's a turning to the left, okay? See the white tarmac over there?
Yeah.
About 10, 12 over there. Pop a left indicator on. Because you can't see what's coming till the last second. Now then, see him?
Yeah.
I had to come to a stop for me, into first gear. There we go, and away. Off the brake, find the bike point, hold down the bike point, little bit of gas, little bit of gas, little bit of gas, and away. Nicely done, up into second gear. Cool. So we go back to the test centre now, and that's it. That's the full test route done. Left of the roundabout, please. 1, 2, 3. Speed down. There we go. Look over there. Make a decision. Keep close to the left. Because we're going left. That's it. If you're going left, stay left.
That's cool, girl.
Fit into that kind of thing, I suppose.
No, it was purple.
I like my van. I love my van. My van and my bow.
I really want Beetle one side.
Beetle.
I think they're so cute. I want a red one and make it look like a ladybird.
Cool. Gently brake for me, lots of black spots. Look over there. Off the brake now. Off the brake. That's it. Pulling us round, keeping us in our side of the road. All the way down to the bottom for me.
Well, this is where I need to approach it at 1 mile an hour.
That's it. Where it says 30, okay? There's a little 30 sign on that lamppost over there, see it?
Yeah.
It's down there, okay? Now then, don't bring that clutch up until you're ready to go, okay? So centre mirror, right mirror. Pop an indicator on for me. Stay in this lane. You cannot go anywhere near that white line, okay? Now then, clutch down and leave it down. Into first gear, brake, 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 brake. Don't touch it. Stay that way, stay that way. That's it. Off the brake now. Find the bike point. Now you can see there's nothing coming. Hold on the bike point, pop your indicator back on, and away. You can't start turning. Even though we're turning right, you've got to steer left, okay? Because the shape of the road goes left. You can't go over that white line, because if a bus or a truck or something comes up that way, yeah, they're not going to be able to get around you.
Yeah, true,
Yeah?
actually.
You've got to stay in the left lane. Right, all we're going to do is we're just going to whiz it around and straight back out. Start heading towards Fellinelly. Keep in the left for me, please. And we're just going to do a big U-turn here, okay? Keep in the left for me. pop a right indicator on and look both ways.